How to get help with Facebook monetization eligibility. First, go to your Facebook Business Manager by going to this right here and log in using your account credentials. Then navigate to the Monetization Manager, click on the three dot under Monetization, click on Monetization Manager. This will take you to the page where you can manage your monetization settings. Then check Monetization Eligibility status. In the Monetization Manager, look for the Eligibility section. This will display your current status for various monetization options like in-stream ads, fan subscriptions, etc. If your account is not eligible for monetization, you will see a message explaining why, such as needing more followers, content meeting Facebook's policy, or other requirement. Then review Facebook's monetization policies. If you're unsure why you're not eligible, click on the Learn More or Review Policies link. This will direct you to Facebook's monetization standards. If you believe you meet the requirements but are still not eligible, you can request help by clicking Request Review button if available. If you don't see the button, scroll to the bottom of the Monetization Manager page, click on Get Help or Get Support to contact Facebook support. You can use the Get Support option for more personalized assistance. Describe your issue you're facing and a Facebook representative will assist you. If this helped you, subscribe, but for now, goodbye.